Okay, so I thought I'll make a quick video here. This is my ABUS 71340, exactly the same padlock as the ABUS 5540, but this is a 4-pin and the 5540 is a 5-pin. So this is basically what I do with this. I put my tension tool in the upper corner there. I take my tool here. I from the front here I take pin 3. Wait. Pin 3. I pop it in place there. Pin 3. Pin 4. Pin 1. There we go. It took me quite some time, less than a minute. At least it's not 7 hours. So this padlock has been very helpful for me to learning to understand how it all works. So I am actually thinking about getting one more of those 713 and 40, just because I know exactly how this works. Of course the pins are different in all locks, but I thought it would be cool to have something else that is exactly the same, but the pins is in a different location. So I am very satisfied with this. So I am ready to buy another of those. Yeah, bye.